Speed of NQ 379. Enigma long on the NQ1.
Now, check. How about now? Check 1 2, check 1 2. All right, few issues there with the microphone. Got that going here this morning. Happy Thursday. Let me turn the music down a little bit here. Got a little bit too loud in my ear. We'll get things going here. Put that coin back on here.
Enigma long on the NQ1.
Here we go. So we've got 5 trades to go here for our morning session. Don't forget, I'm sitting on my hands here for the first 5 minutes of the US Open. Market opened just 2 minutes ago, so we got about 3 minutes here to sit on hands. I'll give you a quick tour around our little workspace here. So top right, up here, of course, if you are new with us. I know most of you guys already know what this is, but hey,
NQ on the 1.
there's always some new folks hopping in with us.
NQ on the 89.
So we're gonna look to take 5 trades within the first 60 to 90 minutes of our session. That's defined as a session for us. We have a time risk management as well as a trade number risk management. Up here at the top left, our direction filter. On the live stream, this is not active, so you'll need to go into our Discord trade room, and on the left-hand side, click on the MacVU filter, directional filter section. That is a multi-instrument correlated markets, NASDAQ, Dow, Russell, ES, and the NAS. And what else? There's our rules here on the left-hand side. Sorry, I'm looking here at what's going on with this play. Looks like a potential four-legged dog trap. And what's our time? 9:34. So 1 more minute here. Sit on hands. We just popped outside of my no diddle zone, which is great. This is where I want to be taking trades when we pop outside that zone there. And let's see. Check. On that. Oh, did I miss something? Let's see. Sorry, I was looking at a question here from one of our tech support members there. All right, we got 20 seconds.
Fib.NQ.
20 seconds. Speed is super high here. I need to get off of the ones. Some really cool layouts there, but let's move to AlgoBar 2s here. The speed here in the morning, that's 351, way too high. 129, still even a little bit high, so let's go to AlgoBar 3s. I teach you guys what all that means in our training program. So there we go. The proper speed right now, 45 BPM, like riding down the freeway at 45 miles an hour. And that looks like the best Enigma play there for the morning. We push back into a region that we had there from this yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and remove those zones so we've got new ones for the morning. And here we go. We are at 9:35 a.m. Don't forget, trading is risky. Before I begin taking those trades, understand all those risks. But if trading is for you, this might also be the place for you. Let's get straight to it. All right. Nice little potential shark back play right there inside the diddle, so I'm not going to play that by itself. We've got rules in our room. If you type !alone, you'll see our cool little jingle that says, "Trade nothing alone." Ah, someone just reminded me there in the chat. Thank you, Eddie. Make sure, if you are a gamer, you know, before you play your game, make sure you turn off real-time protection, right? That is a killer of performance on any machine. Make sure that is not running while you are playing the video game of the markets. All right, 9:36. There we go. We just touched to the open, and I'm going to see if the market's going to react here off of the open. My first play here, we've got, unfortunately, that is a larger alpha omega after the first one. So normally we want to see a decreasing number. We got 11 and then a 12, so that is an increase. Let's see if that gives me the pop-up. I'll stop out below that cross there at the open. I can always take a second swing at it.
Speed of NQ59.
All right, going to close it out there. First trade, taking a loser there off of that spot right there. Get that measure on the DCDM. That is a double cross potentially for go. It's going to be big or big.
Divergence of NQ on the 9.
So I got stopped out to the tick on that one, and I'm going to go for a retry on that one more time there and see if that's going to help me out. Stop back behind the crosses, and you're hearing the buyers step back in after that open push. What I don't like is up top there at the 89, I've got two fingers on an 89. So again, same play here. Still looking for the stops behind the crosses here. Risky. Don't break that Gartley. It's touching the open again. Dadgummit. All right. Tricky area right there, and got hung up in it. Trade number 1, trade number 2, 2 losers in a row here off the bat. Tough because I should have gotten that one. That one little stop out to the tick. That was having your stop just a little bit too tight there. You know, a little too picky on that one. Would have been able to get that target 1, target 2 off the first one. And we're hearing that drilling. We're going to go ahead and target that double cross, double move play all the way down there to that double cross line. If I can get my stops to the proper location here. There we go. And all the way down to target 1. There we go. And the reversal.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
No, it looks like it's going to continue. It's a 10.
Reversing.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
All right, no, I got to close that. I got shaken out of that again. I am off of my rocker game here this morning. So, that scared me out as it was all of that drilling into it. I was trying to pop that back up. Yeah, okay. I am a little bit tired, I'll be honest. I had to stay up late last night and send over a bunch of stuff to legal that we were talking about yesterday, and it was definitely a late night for me. There we go. We're gonna get that drill through, see if we're gonna go and get that crack in the back there. There we go. Get there. Excellent. Okay, so gonna have my work cut out there for me here this morning. Just not executing well there. Those were some fairly easy plays here this morning. Upside, downside, all the way down to a DCDM. I'm just not executing well. I'm tired, but we'll get there. So this is a, what is that? Gold line reversal with a crab PRZ up for On the threes here, that is good for, that's 31 ticks to the upside. So again, it's just me poorly executing here this morning. Very, very tired. Hopefully you guys will forgive me, but you can kind of hear it in my voice, I'm sure. There's a 12.5 coming in here, a new bar on the 89s. I'm going to see if that's going to give us a potential pop-up here. We got a 12.5 now. Those are co-equal. I wish it was a little bit smaller. Oh my word. Okay, I gotta stop talking through these. It's too, I can't do it at the same time. Let's talk afterwards. Did that go 10? Yes, that went 35 ticks. Anyhow, I am not executing well here this morning. Oh my word, I'm on big. What am I doing? I need to be on. I had to switch over to small. I meant, oh my word. Oh, my no list. My no list. Don't trade when you're tired. And that is exactly what's going on there. So I'd switched to big for here, which is good. But I'm like, why are these targets not hitting? I'm like, it's not that far. I had forgotten. I switched to threes. That should be on large for the move down to a big DCDM target. But now I should have switched back. So you either win or you learn. That's what I like to say. So let's learn. Did not win here, so learn. Number one, make sure you are on the proper ATM for the proper targeting. Don't trade when you're tired. And if you're going to take the reversals on the gold line reversal, you guys know we're looking for 10 ticks off of that, right? Also, remember, if you have switched to a larger bar, those are going to happen quicker, and 10 ticks happens quickly on the threes. Those all should have been winners, except maybe one, if I had executed properly on that. So, got my work cut out for me here to come back out of a loss. I'm pretty sure that's 5 trades for me. Extremely exhausted, and as you can tell, I came over here to the live stream way too late here and did not even get a chance to have a coffee yet here this morning. 4 executions. The system is doing very well, looking very nice on all of those plays so far. My inability to execute on them is and has been the issue. I think this was the only legitimate loss right here when I went to attempt that one again, and as we had the breakthrough of that, could have gotten in on that full drop. Just tougher there. I am going to grab that coffee and contemplate whether I continue on in the stream or give this session a rest here and come back. But I need a coffee for sure. Absolute. So hang tight with me. Tougher day here for me. Hopefully you guys did well. Type it there in the chat. I'm curious how you guys did. Actually, you know, I don't even have the live chat on. Hold on, let me look. All right, now I can see the live chat. Scott, thank you so much for that, sir. Scott, Mr. Foster got me a coffee donation there. Really appreciate that. I'm gonna go use that coffee and get some for sure. I forgot to do my 15 yoga poses. Yeah. Yeah. So late to things. Yada yada. I'm gonna grab a coffee and then I'll come back. We'll talk about it and see. We're gonna do the comeback session. I'll be back.
Fib.NQ on the 9. Fib.NQ on the 9.
All right, coffee in hand.
Along on the NQ4.
Type to me in the chat, how did you guys do here this morning? Hopefully you guys executed better than I did. Okay, so we are on the threes. I don't say we, I am on the threes. Going over fours, we have a headshot developing, a moonshot developing off of the fours right now. On the fours, there is
Enigma short on the NQ3.
Yeah, but on the fours, we've got a beautiful play coming in here off of the fours. A little bit even higher time frame right here. Here in the buyers step in like crazy right there. Moonshot. And we'll take off half right there. Hold to the opposing signal.
Speed of NQ51. Speed of NQ51.
Here in buyers still step. And there's the opposing signal, 11.2, right over there. Beautiful play there off of a... What's that in the chat? Come on, type that in. Type it in the chat. Type the word. What's the word? What's the word? What is it? What's the word?
Dog.
Moonshot. If you're not typing moonshot in the chat, you need to be banished from this area. All right. So moonshot, the upside off of the fours. Beautiful play right there. 12.6 to a 10.8. Exited on the runner for a nice around $6,000 play. I'm just estimating. off of the moonshot. Aleskinex, dude, your name, bro. I mean, I don't even know. Aleskinex dropping me a $20 coffee donation, and I needed it like a boss. You know I need that coffee going. Thank you so much for it. What am I complaining about? Your username. You can have your silly, crazy, impossibly difficult name to say if you want to. When you're dropping $20 coffee donations, bro, you be whoever you want to be. You know what I'm saying? I mean, even if you want to be an ICT stooge, I mean, do your thing.
ICT. ICT.
Vinny Emini AlgoBox, they're the kings of the trade. ICT, you a joke, your strategy's just a charade. Michael J, huddle stay, you ain't real, you're a fake. Talk about trade live, but all you do is simulate. Vinny gum strategies, he be stacking them pips. AlgoBox got the algorithms making money flip. ICT, you can't compete, your analysis is weak. Michael J, you ain't got the skills, just a trading sheet. We trading warriors, we the best in the game.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Vinny Emini AlgoBox, we bring the fame. ICT, Michael J, are the frauds on display. In the trading industry, the ones that pave the way.
Whoa. They disbelieved on a faith basis only that I was taking every single trade that I showed examples of. And normally, I do a pretty in-depth editing process.
You do that in-depth editing process. I bet you do, you little fat fraud. Short, midget, fat fraud fucker, threatening people's families, sending people to threaten people's wives and children under the age of 12. You are a scumbag, disgusting person, and I cannot wait to get my hands on you in court, my friend. It is going to be an exciting time around here. First court dates coming up here, June the 3rd. Less than 1 month away now, followed up by another one in Georgia against Shane Fields, his little... I don't know what you even call them. What do you call a hitman these days? Is there a cool name for a hitman? Disgusting turd. In Georgia in August. And then we go for the jugular. It's going to be an amazing, amazing year. How's everybody doing? I'm feeling better. But I'm exhausted. But it's okay. Totally worth it. Let's go. Oh, somebody dropped an ICT student's entire account on a coffee donation for me. That's true. They're yes, you just dropped an entire ICT Muppets entire trading account on a coffee donation to me, and I duly and truly appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and take a stab at that right there. Let's see. That might be a little bit tougher here, but let's see. We are outside the diddle there. We went to the other side. Trap was set, coming into a cipher. I'm concerned the prior close is right up above us there, so who knows. Let's see how that plays. I want to see if that bat will break. No, bat's holding, so I'm going to wait for a break of structure there. Let's get that jam going here. Technically, we are shorts favorable, and the Mac VU also telling me... I need to switch back to it here in a second. Fairly certain. Oh no, we're on the buy side. Yeah. Okay, so we're on the buy there. So yeah, it was right. So we've come up significantly across all four of the correlated instruments now. So we are back to the green. And remember, while that felt like a big drop and all that kind of whatnot, we came here, touched into the red. We didn't even get to full strong sell.
Fib.NQ.
And then we are back pushing up this way. So we have to respect that. If we had broken that bat, I might have held it, but we did not break the bat. If the structure's going to hold to the upside, you know the drill. All right, going to work my way back out of the dip here. Learn to love the dips. Learn to execute on the system well. If we crack that cipher and I start to hear buyers, our target, big target, would be prior close. Probably just underneath it. Oftentimes they like to float it. And let's see if we have a cave target. And the next cave target above me is, it's basically right under the open line, so it's right there. Because they just dropped right through it. Hearing the buyers as they crack. We'll give it a shot here. Let's see if it makes that push or not. Let's zoom in here and see if we actually cracked. I thought we cracked. Did we? Yeah, we cracked it by just a tick. So I basically, I don't want to say instantly got in on it, but that's what we're trying to do here. I'm trying to go in on the break of the structure. Prior close as the magnet, and it's not just the prior close. It is also the P point as well. There we go. Up and at it. And there we go, touching the P point. Targets filled right there, and we touch the prior close. I'll be looking for an accumulation zone in here to also play back the other way. There's a 17.6. That's going to be juicy. I'm going to get my ATM on small again. Crack it at 17. Still hearing buyers. Let's see if we come, run up, touch the open. And potentially prior close. Remember, there's that cave right there, so do have to be knowledgeable about that. I got 2 crosses right here. Got my hotkeys on my left hand. Crack that cipher. Target's filled. Crack that second one. Crack it. Thank you very much. Beautiful. Up to a 13.1. Now I'll start looking to the other side.
Target filled. Target filled.
Nah. She might have another leg in her here. We went from minus 8K to minus 800. Pulling out of the dip here. Let's remove some lines here. Control R. Okay, clean it up. 13.1. We have 17. But the thing is we're here right at the open. You could springboard oftentimes when everybody's looking at that P point. We're like, oh, well, let's see if we can collect some cash right there. Let's get a good one. If I get an Enigma, I'll take it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my Enigma system here to auto enter me. As soon as we see the next Enigma, the system will automatically enter me in. I have engaged it. 8 minutes till coffee time. Awesome. Let's see if we can get back out of that dip here before the 10:10. Coffee time. Coffee in hand. Thank you for those of you guys who donated that coffee donation. You guys are rock stars. Oh, so tasty. All right, floating the open here. Next line up is 18,18250. and 1/7/8 there. So right in front of it, just basically right up here, right where that gold money line is here. I'm going to go ahead and give an F6 right there. As we make that run up, we'd be touching right there if we go. And then I'll slap it back down towards the open. Curtis or Eddie, could you guys pull the P point definition? Oh, Curtis, you did. Thank you. Back to the pivot point. Pivot for the New York session at the P point overnight. Yeah, Curtis, can you go and pull the definition from like financial... what's the financial dictionary? Going blank on the name of it. You know what I'm saying? Grab the financial dictionary definition. I think that's what they're asking for. Get that. Get them the official definition of the New York session P point. And I'll read it out to you guys here in the chat here while I'm looking to see how it's going to push here. Push or pop, push or pop. Investopedia, thank you. That's what I was trying to say. Hey, you guys, I mean, I may be tired, but you guys are not fired. You know what I'm saying? You guys are on top of your game. Thank you for that, my friend. Yes, definition of the P point from Investopedia. Part of, like, if you look up daily pivots, it's a daily pivot principle having to do with prior days opens and closes, current days, and deviations thereof. Okay, here we go. Remember what we talked about? There's the spot. Looks like it's going all the way. And I'll start getting in right there. Nah, looks like they're going to trick him first. All right, there's the pink point and comes in a 10. Thank you. Avsies.
Hello?
Hello, Vicky. How can I help you, my friend?
So you not unblock my machine?
Why would I unblock you, Vicky? Like, you're calling me? Are you even on our live stream right now? Go ahead, say it out loud. Are you on our live stream right now?
So because my...
Vicky, you're not on our live stream right now. You know why? Do you know why you're not on our live stream right now? How I know? Because you're literally calling me while I am in the middle of trading in a difficult dip area. And again, you were removed from our room for a reason. Why was that? Okay. Vicky, I'm going to get back to my trading now since you're not on our live stream, as you said you would be. You know, again, Vicky, please stop bothering my tech team with everything and nothing, and then not doing what we've asked you to do. Vicky, you were removed for a reason. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, fun times. Like, literally, like, talk about tone deaf. I just had to. Hopefully she'll learn something from the experience. She'll have this live stream to look back on and be like, yeah, that was pretty rude of me. All right, it's helping hands. No, the people who are like, oh, Vinny, you treat your customers in it. Okay, there's a Helping Hands scholarship program, and it does have requirements. If you're going to get the system in the Helping Hands program, you have things that you are done. Like you have to actually attend. Imagine that. You actually have to attend classes. You have to actually attend your courses. You actually have to attend your things. And I proved out, like, still doesn't. Okay. Beautiful. All right. Yeah. I'm trying to help. Like, sometimes, though, in order to help, it's omelet theory. First, you have to crack the egg. You got to get some sense talked into. You got to have, the hard conversations. And hard conversations sometimes are hard to have. But have them. All right. 14.6. Are we... Oh, I need to look at MacView Ultimate. Where is... Current Ultimate? Oh, I had to flip over to that. So, again, switched over. We're on strong buy here. So, let me switch back. Am I on 4s? Yes. Open line is such an attractive point there. Need to hear the audio box first. Not hearing it. Let's see. I got left hand buy, right hand sell, and I'm hearing sell. Let's see if we can drop it down into the open line there. There's a shark for a reversal. I'm going to go ahead and start getting long off of that shark. Full entry will be at the shark back. Right into prior close. And there's a 10. Hopefully not a continuation, but if it is, we'll stop out right there.
Target filled.
Thank you.
Target filled.
Thank you. See if we get the runners on. Again, why am I doing runners? Everybody type in the chat. Why am I doing runners? Hint, hint. MacVU, that's right. So there's my runner targets. Cypher's up above if we get there. Stop out below the cross. No big deal. Yep, okay. We touched it. Targets filled. Oh. Yeah. Crack of the butterflies. Let's see if we're going to crack that cipher. Can we get it all the way to the back of the shark back? How generous is it going to be to me? It's a 14.6. All right. To the opposing signal. You know the drill. All right, let me sit here for a second. We're right in the middle of the diddle now, so a little bit more difficult now. Beautiful stuff. All right. Did we get to 100 likes? Oh, y'all, we're at 83 likes. I cannot continue on the stream, but I am feeling like a generous soul. So we get to 100 likes, and it is currently 10:13. We got 2 minutes. I'm going to take a little 2-minute break. We've got 2 minutes to get to 100 likes if you guys want me to continue on and see how far we can go. We just come back from a dip. We're back at break even. Shall we continue with 100 likes, or I'll catch you guys in the afternoon? Let's see. And if we don't get to 100 likes, we're not doing the afternoon session. So if you want to see the afternoon session, or you want to keep on right now, you let me know with those likes. I'll be back.
Two finger NQ on the 89.
Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Okay, Lamborghini Mercy.
Baby, I don't understand this. Grilled cheese, Obamas, and
Speed of NQ 57. Speed of NQ 50.
Hello, Vicky.
Yeah, I'm in the room right now.
You're in the room. That's neat. Are you on the live stream, though? You're not on the live stream. You know how I know that?
Yes, I'm on the live stream. I saw you. You say I will be back if you don't get 100. I like your.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Prove it to me. Type it in the chat. Let's type it in the chat. Type it in the chat.
I say I'm here. I did say I'm here. All right.
Let me see. I'm sorry. Did I miss it? Hold on. Did you type it in the chat? I don't. Does anybody see Vicky? What? I apologize. What is your username there in our chat? Oh, wait. There it is. Futures Trading NQES. Is that your name?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you, Vicky, for coming and hanging out and showing up with us here today. It's so wonderful of you to join us. You are aware of our scholarship program and that you do need to make sure that you follow through on the program and study, right? In order for you to succeed, that you need to participate. You agree?
Yes.
You agree with me? All right, fantastic. Vicky, you know I want the absolute best for you, okay? I am here as your mentor to try to urge you to get yourself to the finish line. I love you. Let's get going here. Let's get on it. You study, you participate, make sure you show up to the live streams. Vicky, you know, you're in my area, right? It's not that early, right? So let's get to it. We'll get you all fixed up. We'll get you restored. Curtis, if you can help us out and get her set up, I think that she needs some assistance with getting things set back up. Thank you for coming and giving me a call. Thank you for participating with us in our live streams, and hopefully you learned something from it as well. How about this? After the live stream a little bit, let me give you a call, and I'll follow up and make sure everything's getting going for you. How about that?
Thank you so much.
Is that fair? All right. Fantastic.
Yes.
Great to have you back, my friend. All right. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye. $109 likes, and we're up 500 on the day. I'm going to go ahead and take that break because literally, this is funny. So I'm about to walk away, and all of a sudden, I mean, who turned on AudioBox? It was like, sell. Come on. You know you got to turn around and at least press the sell button, right? I mean, we know this, yes? I mean, It doesn't get any more clear than that. That is the beautiful power of AlgoBox. That was a freebie. I call that one a freebie. That was just like, dude, I don't even have to look at the chart. I can listen and take that trade. Oh, let's play my favorite song. You know the one. ICT. Wait. No, I think there's even a better one. Hold on. Let's play one we haven't done yet. And we are announcing the winner of our audio contest on Friday. We'll talk more about that in a moment. This one is called Ode to the Mopeds. The Mopeds.
Hell to the Muppets, to the ICT stock puppets, selling bottoms, buying tops, crying over AlgoBox. Why so angry? Why so dumb? Why not coming? Living in your mama's basement while we catching that retracement. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. 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 Michael Mikey, mental midget, cause this IQ just one digit. Selling snake oil to the blind, youthful dreamers, unrefined. See the error of your ways, finally come and see what pays. Just let Santa fill your socks, feel the power of AlgoBox. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot. Moonshot, headshot, PRZ with bib dot.
Oh man, that one is just too good. I mean, I think it's understood. You know, and I believe that was actually not an AI one. I believe Grups did that one on his own, as I recall. I'm gonna have to follow up with him to find out if that is certain.
Yo, let me come here to sing you a song about trading with AlgoBox. It's the bomb. Vinny's the mentor. Straight up the dope. AlgoBox, the market cheap, helping us stay afloat. Yo, AlgoBox, trading like a boss. Playing with the big boys, ain't no loss. Yeah, AlgoBox is a whole new game. The tools do the work, only you to blame. You don't need to be perfect to be profitable. Don't fiddle in the middle, that's just not plausible. Winner, chicken dinner, that's the aim. Love those dips, it's all part of AlgoBox, trading like a boss. Playing with the big boys, ain't no loss. Yeah, AlgoBox is a whole new game. Let the tools do the work, only you to blame. Follow the rules, don't fiddle in the middle. Stick to the plan, watch your profits triple. Golden rule, winner chicken dinner with AlgoBox setups. We know we get AlgoBox, trading like a boss. Playing with the big boys. AlgoBox, trading like a boss. Playing with the big boys, ain't no loss. Yeah, AlgoBox, it's a whole new game. Let the tools do the work, only you to blame. Moonshot, Enigma, Alpha, Omega, headshot. These setups, we're reaching for the top. AlgoBox, trading like a boss. Let the tools do the work, only you blame. Game like a boss, playing with the big boys, ain't no loss. Yeah, AlgoBox, it's a whole new game. Let the tools do the work, only you to blame. AlgoBox, it's a whole new game. Let the tools do the work, only you to blame.
Oh, that is a beautiful, beautiful thing. Yes. Let's see. Let's go. All right, thank you for the coffee donations. You guys rock. And those songs, you guys, come on. Y'all have been putting in some work. Holy cow. I don't even know how y'all come up with some of this stuff. It is awesome. Super sauce. This is the jingle for the song. Let me see. What do we got here? What was this one?
Yeah, I love it, I love it, I love this game. I love it, I really love this game. I love it, I love it, I love this game. AlgoBox, I really love this game. Yeah.
That's a nice one for an intro. Man, there are so many good ones. Y'all are making it very difficult to select top winners. We got first, second, and third place. We're gonna have to contemplate some things, but don't worry. We will make things well. We have $1,000 for the first prize, second and third, 600, 400 respectively. It's gonna be awesome. All right. Shark back into the open. It cracked, so we can't do a shark back. Cracked, got the open. Here in buyers, can't step into the middle of buying frenzy. Works the other way as well. Could have basically bought on there. Let me look, see where. All right. There's a potential pivot point up above us there. Let's see if we're going to slice through this one and come back to that white line we had previously identified. An attraction point potential. Finger on the buy. Let's see how they carry. Wait for it. Need a play. You had a DCDM on the twos? Wonderful. Post a screenshot of that there in the chat. Let's take a look. Thanks, Eldo. With an Enigma as well. Oh, man. Post a screenshot of that one, and we'll put it into our examples area in the... If you guys haven't looked into the education section on the left-hand side, go into the education section there, and you can see lots of plays, screenshots of setups, as well as performance on the left in the real testimonials section. There's a 12.5 starting to kick in there. I'm going to start tagging in on that one right there, coming in 12.5, and see if we get a little movement around the open.
Target filled.
And we do. Thank you very much. That was straight up into that area we had looked at before. 12.5 comes in to say, there we go, they got their orders. So we catch them off sides, and that's good for now. Up 1,200 on the day. Coming back, that is, I mean, I need a comeback. What's a good comeback song? Is there a comeback song out there? Is there a comeback kid song out there somewhere? I might need one of those for that. That was pretty juicy.
I crave a touch, a Bollinger Band touch. Looking left for signals, I need them so much. Price expiration, no manipulation. Don't diddle in my middle, resist the temptation. Observe my curves, my histogram bumps. At the market open, price always jumps. Respect the system, cause Vinny wrote the algorithm.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Who can't take the criticism. At the end of the wave, the day can crave. Which just leaves me, I keep me busy. I am so crazy for AlgoBox, baby. I am so crazy for AlgoBox, baby. I am so crazy for AlgoBox, baby.
That's the first time I got to hear that one. Don, you outdid yourself there, sir. Wow. We might have to extend this to 4th and 5th. I don't know. I might just do top 10. I might just pay everybody. You know what? It's winner, winner, chicken dinner. Everybody gets paid. If you put in an audio submission for us by Friday, you're getting paid. I am going to pay you regardless. If you put it in, that's what we're going to do, because that's just how we do. We also, not only are we the greatest trading algorithmic platform in the world for futures traders, but we are also the most generous. In fact, we can prove it. Don't forget, even Matthew Miller, Trades by Matt, has to admit, we have still to this day given the absolute largest donation to St. Jude's Children's Charity on his charity live stream. His charity live stream, all of his traders combined had given a $5,500 total. And so I came into his live stream, and to be nice, I donated and doubled what he was going to be giving to St. Jude. And we did a $5,500 donation to St. Jude's on his donation stream, which he later erased, replaced, and defaced, and called me a shill to my face. Now, see, that is not very nice, and that is a mistake. A mistake. So when the cards fall later on, and they will be falling, I mean, his buddy right now is in a legal scenario with me right now, June the 3rd, and after all of that, it's all coming out. I am tired of these turds. You know what I'm saying? Is everybody else kind of tired of the turds in this industry? I don't know about you, but I am. Let's play this one. All right, that one hurts my head. I apologize. I can't like them all. All right, that one hurts. I can't right now.
AlgoBox revolution. Hey yo, listen up until the spin. About them algorithmic trades where you win or you spin. In the market maze where the bulls and bears collide. AlgoBox on Ninja making trades so wide. Day in, day out, it's the AlgoBox flow. Catching pitch and pitches text in the know. Patterns laid out, no guess, no stress. Profits locked in, no mess, pure finesse. But beware the scammers, they lurk, they prey. Promising fortunes but lead you astray. Stick to the code, the AlgoBox creed. We trade with the edge, no scam, just speed. Stick to the code, the AlgoBox creed. We trade with the edge, no scam, just speed.
Ew. All right, can't win them all. Can't win them all. Breaking the back of that shark there. Are we outside of the diddle yet? Yeah, we are. Wait for it. Okay, crack of structure is what I'm trying for there. And audio box, so break of structure and audio. Oh, wow. Okay, I am too tired to talk. Okay. Vinny, no talkie for you. All right, stop underneath the cross here in the event that we're wrong. Again, small hold on. We have We have done our duty. Let's see. Okay, so it pushed back in. Get up there. Go touch that white line for me. Touch that white line. Get it. Should put a runner to that pink line up above. Get into that crab. Let's put some into the back of that crab juice. Nah, too slow for me. Not my type of play there. All right, we'll wait. Again, when I get one of these, so let's talk about that scenario. When we get a crack of one of those structures and I hear that audio box, it's got to go and keep going. What I'm looking for in a play like that is to crack and go and go and go and go. If it doesn't do that, like after that, you know, it may just be a fake out. We got an 11.5 right there. So that's kind of what I'm looking like. Where's my fours? Let me see if I had anything come in on the fours there. Yeah, there's nothing. It's empty on the fours. We have not seen an Enigma in a while, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. I do want to take the next Enigma play. If the next Enigma pops in, I'm going to go bigger on that with the 3 strike times 4, and we'll let it do its thing. Gold line's a magnet today. Yeah. And again, you have to acknowledge that, you know. It looked like it could get going. You heard it, but, you know, there just wasn't enough room from here to there. Like, from there to there, that's... It only went 9 ticks, right? You got to at least get 10 out of it. If it's not, it's a little bit more dangerous. Here comes... All right. If they're going to go push through, let's see if we can get there now. Like, they faked them out to the short side. Hopefully there's enough juice in it to go. Way behind on the entry. Does it have enough juice to get me there? Runner to the pink line. King timing. Come on, push on that king timing. Come on, push on that king timing. Push it. Push that king timing. Go. Get there. Push it. Do it. There you go. Target's filled. All right, so a little tricky spot there. All right, not my favorite type of play there, but a play nonetheless. Okay, back of the shark back over there. All right, I don't think we're going straight up forever right here. And go ahead and take my, you know my drill. Mind the small, making sure I'm on the right ATM size. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Coming into the back of the shark back right here. Stop would be above the break of that shark. Don't like that they're floating it there.
Target filled.
And we are going against favorable direction here, so it's a target 1 scenario. That needed to happen quick. I don't like that it's taking a while. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop above the cross here.
Target filled. Target filled.
Nope. Okay, here and buyer, step back up. I'm gonna keep it at my 1K there. We can always swing back at if it goes. Crack a structure. If that had held, I could have shorted again, but we're cracking through that cipher. So again, if the structure holds, I'll play. If it structure break, then you gotta respect the other way, right? Sometimes the market can do something crazy wild, and you just don't want to be, you know, catching on the other side of something scenario like that. Up in the shark, finger over. Is it going to respect that shark? Or going to blast right through and do one of those crazy things? Okay, cracking through, so no play. $18.7. You know I'm going to swing at that. You know, they know I'm going to swing at it too. That's the dangerous part. Gonna get sticky on me. 10.6.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Okay, there's a divergence coming in there too, but they are pushing it hard. So this one's going to be a tough one for me. There's high a day. Yoicks. Yeah, oftentimes that crushes straight through when they've got a big fat trap like that. Got to add on a 10.
Target filled.
Okay, there's a little quickie. Nothing to write home about yet. That is an ignition bar on the 89s over there, so gonna have to respect and peel it here any moment. Yeah, I'm gonna peel it. It's too risky. Could be one of those explosive moves. See this up here? So we're gonna wait until that's touched into its Bollinger first on the 89. That is an ignition bar right in front of it. Gotta respect that, unfortunately, right into the open. Sometimes this could be one of those crazy days where it does one of those deals, so not gonna get big heat up top on the 4s. I also see we had a previous spot right here. I will absolutely start playing here, and I will absolutely start playing there. But right there, you know, gotta take it. So I have overstayed my welcome here with you guys this afternoon. We are at, how many minutes? We're at, yeah, well over an hour. And on a tired day for me, it's good play. I think we started off in rough, let's be honest. We started off pretty rough there. Tough day for me. A little tired. You know, all kinds of interruptions throughout our broadcast, etc., etc. For all that, I would say it was a pretty good day. Thanks for hanging out here with me. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Cordis, G, and Eddie B. I will catch you guys this afternoon. Let's send out the Big H-Town. Marketing team and graphics team, take it away. You guys did amazing work. Wow, I just can't get over these songs. You guys rock.
The old adage where, you know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance, the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investors because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use that front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.